YouTube? So alright, so today I'm gonna go ahead and be installing some new headlights on my truck. These are the OEM LED headlights. The new headlights right here. Alright guys, as you can see, it's the black lights. Alright, these are like the OEM ones. These are not OEM again. The reason I'm going with these is just the look. I like the look wise of these. I do like the LEDs, but I just feel like they need to be restored. I don't have time to be restoring them, and it also costs a lot of money to restore those lights. If I did restore them, they would look really nice, but I'm just gonna go with these for now. I don't know if I'm gonna sell those or keep them, but they are the OEM. These are not OEM. Again, these are just the black halogen lights. After all, the truck is an Express anyway. Kind of leaves that Express look on there. So there is the black housing ones. All right, engine bay is dirty as fuck, but if you don't know already, you have to go ahead and remove the grill, okay? So you got one bolt here, bolt here, and then another one here. So you have to remove the grill because to get to this bolt, and then there's a bottom one, I think. All right, so grill is off. Here's the grill. Now it's time to take the bolts off here, and then on this one here, this one here, this one here, and then on the inside of the wheel well, there's another one. And good thing I have the grill off right now. That way I can clean all of this off, even the reservoir tank, all of this, especially this. So look at that. Oh yeah, I don't know why, I just find this housing better looking than the OEM LEDs. That's just me. I just put it on there. It's not bolted on or nothing yet. And look how it looks like that. I don't know. Yes, this looks good. I'm not gonna say it doesn't look good. It does look good. But if they were restored and, you know, there was no yellowing or no haziness on it, I'm pretty sure they would look just as good. But not because they're new or nothing, but it just looks way cleaner. I don't know, like a sleeker, cleaner look. All I gotta do is obviously I gotta get all the bulbs and all that, pass them on to the new light, and then go from there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me do that, and then I'll start. I'll show you all the video of how the truck is gonna look afterward. That motherfucker look good.
That motherfucker looks good.
You like that truck?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so there it goes. I went to the local auto parts to go ahead and get some lights. These things are fucking loud by the way the fans on these things. Yeah, right? So I need to buy the amber ones. That way I have them. All right, guys, so lights are installed. Here they are. Ooh, now it looks really good. Gotta install the grill. I'm just gonna go eat real quick. But yeah, look, they're matching with the fog lights, the Morimoto fog lights, so I love that. All right, guys, so look, there it is with the high beams on. Trying to make sure, okay, there it goes. So high beams are on the bottom, right here. Obviously that's an amber or yellow, right? So I gotta replace those with white so it could be matching because it's gonna look stupid. Also, I gotta get my turn signals. Do not have turn signals, so I'll show you right now. So turn signals are on, but they're not on here. So I gotta get that set up ASAP. But this is just temporary. The look is amazing. All right, guys, so the lights are installed already. All right, as you can see, here they are. That's about it. They look really, really good. I like the way they look. I'm really, really happy. I can't wait to see them in the daytime. Daytime savings right now, so we don't have any much light, but I'm detailing the engine, so let me get to that.
Finish him, Daddy.
Hey, the car guy, they said. All right, guys, that is going to be it for the video today. Appreciate you for watching. The headlights look sick. They're right there in the background. I'm going to be going to the racetrack this Sunday. We're supposed to have some really good weather. So I'm going to drive myself up to Lufkin, which is about 2 hours, just like the previous video where I almost broke the record. I'm really hoping to break the record this time. Hopefully everything goes well. But anyways, guys, I greatly appreciate the support. Go ahead and cop the merch, guys. I have the merch up online. I have the link down in the description or in my bio. www.poormans-racing.com. That is where you get your merchandise for my YouTube or for my Instagram. I have a 10% coupon code. It is on the website, but it's quarter-10 just in case if you need it. But I greatly appreciate it, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, share this video, guys. I greatly appreciate all the support. I'm gonna check you on the next one. I will be vlogging about Sunday, so stay tuned for the next video. Peace.